Welcome. Today we will be demoing our new age electronics lab tool, which has balanced potential to save designers and technicians time and frustration in the lab. That being said, let's jump right into a demo of inspectAR. Hovering your mouse over any component activates a tooltip which indicates the reference designator. And by clicking on any component on the board, it instantly highlights in real time. Clicking on the info pane reveals details about the selected item, including a list of connected pads, a useful feature while debugging, and you can activate the AR overlay of the attached net to this pad. In this circumstance, we activated the V-Core net. Flipping the board, you see the overlays will persist with the layers reversed accordingly. Sometimes the information available in your EDA just isn't enough for the task at hand. We've integrated with distributors to be able to request part info while using the app. A common use case for this is datasheets. Let's pull up the datasheet for this component. As you can see, after a short load time, the datasheet is available, just as you would have it on your laptop. You can easily move around the datasheet as usual, and when you're done, you can simply minimize it back into the taskbar. On the top left, we have the Active Overlays panel. Here, you can select between your active overlays, hide them from view, and delete them. We've also built a powerful search feature to make it easier to find everything on your board. Here, we will enter 20V in our search bar, and all parts corresponding to that attribute appear instantly. Users can also add overlays as a batch. This way, you can add multiple overlays simultaneously. By clicking on the camera icon, you access the Screenshot Markup tool. By moving the bar on the bottom right, you alter the pixel size of your marker. As you can see, you can simply circle or mark any component you choose. You can then add a text box to provide instructions or notes for yourself and your team. If you select a component, layer, or net, and then hit the message icon on the top, you can write a specific comment for any item, as well as change the color for easy indexing. This allows you to instantly communicate with anyone on your team as they can access the comments immediately within the app. Currently, we support Apple and Android mobile devices, as well as Windows and Mac OS desktops. In terms of file input, we support all the common EDAs. For more information on our product, please visit our website at www.inspectar.com.